Welcome to the channel where we explore the best tech and gadgets that make life more exciting. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 picks for the best drones with cameras, perfect for capturing stunning aerial shots, travel footage, or just having fun. Stick around to see which one could take your creativity to the next level. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Drone with camera, 2K HD FPV drone with brushless motor, altitude hold, gesture selfie, 1 key takeoff/landing, 3D flips, waypoint fly, 2 batteries, foldable mini drones for kids and beginners. This compact drone stands out with its 2K HD FPV camera that captures clear aerial shots and videos, making it a great entry point for beginners and kids. The brushless motor design helps reduce noise and prolongs flight life, so the drone can handle more practice sessions without wearing out quickly. With altitude hold, hovering becomes easier, allowing smoother video capture without sudden drops or shakes. Its gesture selfie feature lets users trigger photos or videos by simple hand gestures, which is both fun and practical for group shots or creative angles. 1 key takeoff and landing simplifies control, so even first-timers can fly confidently without fear of crashing. For those who enjoy a bit of fun, the 3D flips mode adds an entertaining touch, making flights more dynamic. The waypoint fly function lets users draw a path on the app, and the drone automatically follows it, enabling creative shots and scenic tours. Having 2 included batteries is a major advantage, nearly doubling the flight time compared to models that come with only 1. The foldable design makes it easy to pack in a small bag, perfect for family trips or outdoor adventures. Its controls feel intuitive, and while it's made for beginners, the camera quality still delivers surprisingly sharp footage, ideal for social media sharing. The sturdy build handles gentle wind fairly well, and the propeller guards help protect against minor bumps. Overall, this drone is designed to balance ease of use with just enough advanced features to keep new users excited as their skills improve. Number 2. Holystone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone with 1080p Wi-Fi camera for adult beginners and kids, voice gesture control RC quadcopter with modular battery for long flight time, auto hover, carrying case. Equipped with a 1080p Wi-Fi camera, this drone delivers clear real-time video to a connected smartphone, perfect for sharing moments instantly. The foldable design and included carrying case make it highly portable, ideal for trips, outdoor events, or backyard fun. Voice and gesture control give beginners an engaging, hands-free way to direct the drone or take photos, adding a creative twist to flying. Auto hover helps keep the drone steady mid-air, making it easier to capture smooth video footage or still shots. The modular battery design simplifies swapping out batteries, reducing downtime between flights, and extends total flight time. Controls are simple and quick to learn, so even younger users can start flying after a short practice session. Flight modes like headless mode help keep navigation simple by allowing control without worrying about the drone's orientation. The propeller guards and overall build quality protect it from light collisions, while its lightweight frame helps reduce damage in case of minor drops. The live FPV feature streams directly to a phone, letting users see what the drone sees in real time. With a good balance between ease of use and enough features to keep things interesting, it fits well for both kids and adults who want to explore aerial photography without investing in a higher-priced drone. Overall, it's an accessible choice that brings together portability, decent video quality, and beginner-friendly controls. Number 3. Potensic Atom SE GPS drone with 4K EIS camera, under 249G, 62 minutes flight, 4 kilometers FPV transmission, brushless motor, max speed 16 meters per second, auto return, lightweight and foldable drone for adults beginner. This drone features a 4K EIS camera that helps reduce shake in videos, providing smoother, professional-looking footage. Weighing under 249G means it avoids extra registration requirements in many areas, making it easier to travel with. The lightweight foldable design adds to its portability, while its brushless motor delivers quieter flights and better durability. With up to 62 minutes of total flight time using 2 batteries, longer shoots are possible without frequent landings to recharge. The 4 km FPV transmission range supports expansive shots and distant flights while maintaining a stable video feed. Auto return adds peace of mind by bringing the drone back if the signal drops or the battery gets low. It can reach speeds up to 16 meters per second, allowing dynamic shots and quick repositioning. GPS stabilization keeps the drone steady in flight, which is especially helpful for filming landscapes, cityscapes, or tracking moving subjects. The electronic image stabilization helps keep video crisp and steady, even in moderate wind conditions. Controls are beginner-friendly, yet the camera quality and longer range make it suitable for users ready to explore more creative aerial photography. Waypoint flight and follow me modes open up options for hands-free filming, while the compact size makes it easy to pack for travel or outdoor adventures. Overall, it strikes a balance between portability, flight performance, and video quality, making it a smart step up for hobbyists who want more than a basic drone. Number 4. DJI Mini 4K Drone with 4K UHD camera for adults, under 249G, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 10 km video transmission, auto return, wind resistance, 1 battery for 31-minute max flight time, intelligent flight. This model delivers stunning 4K UHD footage supported by a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring professional-level stability for smooth, cinematic shots. Its compact build under 249 grams keeps it lightweight and travel-friendly, while also making it easier to fly in many locations without extra paperwork. The 10 km video transmission extends filming possibilities, allowing breathtaking wide-area shots without losing signal quality. Despite the small frame, it handles wind resistance well, giving consistent performance in outdoor conditions. Auto return helps protect the drone during low battery or signal loss by bringing it back to the takeoff point safely. The 31-minute max flight time per charge supports longer single flights, great for capturing extended scenes. Intelligent flight modes like quick shots, waypoint flying, and follow me enable more creative filming options, even for those still learning. The 4K camera quality captures fine details, making it suitable for travel videos, social media content, or personal projects. The app interface is intuitive, simplifying camera settings, video review, and editing on the go. With the reliable gimbal stabilization, shots remain steady even when flying in moderate wind, making it possible to achieve cinematic results. The drone's small size also makes it less intimidating for new pilots, while the quality of the footage meets the needs of more experienced users. Overall, this drone is a strong blend of portability, camera performance, and smart flight features. Number 5. Roku F11 GAM2 drones with camera for adults 4K, 64 minutes flight time, gimbal and EIS 4K camera, 16,404-foot digital video transmission, GPS auto return professional quadcopter, level 6 wind resistance. Built for longer flights and higher stability, this drone combines a gimbal and electronic image stabilization to produce clear, steady 4K footage. With a total flight time up to 64 minutes using 2 batteries, it supports extended filming sessions without interruption. The impressive 16,404 feet video transmission range opens up wide-angle, panoramic shots and distance scenes, perfect for travel content or larger outdoor spaces. GPS auto return adds security by ensuring the drone returns home during low battery or signal loss, reducing the risk of losing the drone on longer flights. Level 6 wind resistance means it performs reliably even on breezy days, maintaining stability and camera clarity. The folding design keeps it compact enough to carry easily, balancing portability with advanced features. The combination of gimbal and EIS helps keep footage smooth, minimizing blur and shake when moving quickly or turning sharply. It's suitable for hobbyists and semi-professionals looking for higher quality aerial shots without the cost of more premium models. The intuitive controller and app interface support features like waypoint fly and follow me mode, making creative shots easier to capture. Video quality stays crisp and detailed, ideal for social media, YouTube content, or personal projects. Overall, it delivers impressive flight range, reliable stability, and clear footage, making it a capable option for those wanting to step up from beginner drones to a more professional level experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this roundup helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews just like this. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and details on these drones. See you in the next video.